everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Look at this beautiful bow shape. So let's learn how you can make it at home. First we are going to take this pink rose printed lace and we are going to put the needle and sew it like this and tie a knot at the end. Keep it aside. After this we are going to take another piece of ribbon. Here we are going to take this red color, paste it at the center using double-sided tape, combine both of them together, tie it using a thread. Now keep it aside. After this we are going to take another ribbon, fold it and make this bow shape as well. After this we are going to fold it at the center, cut the extra part and using thread and needle we are going to sew it together at the center. Now combine all of them together like this. Put the lace at the back and more ribbons at the center. Put the clip and look how pretty this is looking. We are going to make these beautiful shapes, so let's get started. Here we are going to fold this red color of ribbon and make two such pieces. Now using this circular cloth we are going to combine all the frills, ribbons and this beautiful piece as well on the top of it. Paste a clip at the back side and look, it is ready. You can make more such colorful shapes. Today in this video we are going to learn how you can make this beautiful hair clip at home. This is very easy to make, so let's get started. Here we are going to take this black color of ribbon. You can take whatever color you like you can take some glittery or red and pink. After this you are going to measure it. Now using hot glue gun we are going to roll it around the clip like this. Roll it over and over again and we are going to cover the entire clip like this. You can leave it like this and use it, or in place of this you can also paste some rhinestones and pearls on the top of it using hot glue gun and this will also look beautiful. After covering the entire clip we are going to paste it at the end using hot glue gun. Cut the extra part of the ribbon and using this lighter we are going to fix the loose ends, paste it and look, it is ready. Let's make the flower for the black clip. For that we are going to take this purple color of fabric and make the petal like this. Make more such petals and sew all of them together. We are going to put it inside the needle, sew it and paste it like we are doing here in this video. For more density we are going to paste more petals around the flower like this and look, it is ready. Paste it on the top of the clip and look, it's done. You can also paste the name and it's done. We are going to make this beautiful bow shape. You can use it in so many ways, for hair clips, for decoration purpose as well. So let's get started. First we are going to make the bow shape using this glitter fabric or using this thread as well. Now keep it aside. Take another red color of ribbon. We are going to fold it like we're doing here and fix it from one end using this lighter. Now we are going to make the flower petal. Combine all these together. Paste it like we're doing here. Now we are going to cover it from the sides as well. We are making the shape. Now going to put it at the center of the bow like we are doing here. After this you can put the clip as well and look, it is ready. You can make more such designs. Thank you so much for watching this video.